Hey there YouTube. So this is unboxing number 3 from Mene. Placed my second order recently, and that was for the gold ring. Now, I said originally that I wasn't a big fan of the gold jewelry, but I was pretty impressed by the quality of their gold jewelry, so I went ahead and ordered some gold for myself. This one looks like it's in a slightly bigger box. So, get the COA. Ooh. Okay, it's a slightly larger pouch. Wow, okay. So, I ordered, wow, that is very heavy. I ordered the 21-inch gold heavy rounded box chain. It's very nice, very shiny. Wow, I can't believe how heavy it is. COA says 27 grams, so obviously this was a bit of a splurge, but it looks like the box, or the clasp is a little bit bigger than the platinum chain that I have. So, damn. Nice. So I just want to do a quick follow-up video on the heavy rounded box chain that I picked up recently. I've been wearing it for about a week now, and I'm very satisfied with it. I don't know if I could put a pendant on it or not, because it's such a thick chain for Mene that I feel like one of their smaller pendants might look kind of silly on it. But then the only other option is their larger medallions that are just gargantuan. So I don't know if I want to rock that style either. But overall, it's really comfortable to wear. It has almost like a snake skin type of texture to it, and yeah, I definitely recommend it, so check it out.